I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a VW Beetle rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, a set of sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Beetle is securely supported on jack stands. Before you begin, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to avoid any electrical surprises. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Next, we'll focus on detaching the various components connected to the bumper. Start by carefully removing the taillight assemblies. This often reveals hidden bolts or clips. Once the lights are out, disconnect all electrical connectors that run to the bumper, such as those for license plate lights or sensors. Finally, locate and unbolt any visible mounting brackets or support arms that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. Now, let's tackle the main fasteners holding the bumper in place. You'll typically find several large bolts securing the bumper directly to the chassis. Remove these carefully. Don't forget to check inside the wheel wells, as there are often additional screws or plastic clips that need to be removed. Once all fasteners are loose, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, double-checking that no wires or hoses are still connected. For the final step, it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you, as the bumper can be surprisingly heavy and awkward to handle alone. Carefully guide the bumper off the vehicle, ensuring it clears all mounting points. Once removed, store your bumper in a safe place where it won't be scratched or damaged. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.